Ever struggle to explain your day in English? Stick around today. We'll make it easy and fun. I'm Ali.
And I'm Anna. If you want to learn simple English phrases for your daily life, you're definitely in the right place.
By the end of this episode, you'll have real sentences you can use every day. No more getting stuck for words.
We'll show you how to talk about your morning, what to say about your afternoon, useful evening phrases, plus a full daily routine you can copy, and a quick review at the end.
Let's kick things off with mornings. Anna, what's your favorite way to start the day?
Honestly, I love a quiet morning. I'd say I wake up at 7 a.m. It's clear and easy for beginners to use.
Exactly, that's such a useful sentence. I always say, I brush my teeth right after waking up.
Brushing your teeth is a must, and after that, most people add, I eat breakfast. Simple, but it covers those key morning moments.
I have to ask, what's your go-to breakfast, Anna?
Usually just a banana and coffee, so I'd say I eat a banana and drink coffee.
All right, mornings are sorted. What about the afternoon? That's when things get busy for most people.
True, afternoons are packed. A classic phrase is, I go to work, or if you're still studying, I go to school.
That covers a lot of people. We should add, I study English. It's perfect for our listeners.
Especially if you make it a habit. I study English every day. That's a great routine, and it really works.
Now, let's move to the evening. I think this is when people finally relax. Anna, what do you usually do?
I love unwinding with YouTube videos, so I'd say I watch YouTube in the evening.
Same here. Sometimes I talk with friends too, so another helpful sentence is, I talk with my friends.
Before bed, I always remind myself, I go to bed at 11 p.m. Having a set bedtime makes it easier to use this phrase every day.
It really helps to hear all these sentences together, right? Let's build a full example routine.
Absolutely. Here's what it might sound like. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. In the evening, I watch YouTube. Then I go to bed.
Notice how smooth that sounds? Just a few simple phrases, and you can explain your entire day.
If you want, try saying it with us. Repeating these sentences is a great way to build confidence.
Let's do a rapid-fire review of today's key phrases. Ready?
Go for it.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I watch YouTube. I go to bed.
These phrases are your toolkit for talking about your day in English. Now, try picking just one and using it today.
Let's wrap up with 3 big takeaways. First, short sentences help you describe your day easily. Second, routines make practicing English natural. Third, repeating these phrases builds your confidence.
Your action step. Write a comment with at least one thing you do in the morning, like I wake up at 8 a.m. It's a simple way to practice and connect.
We love seeing your progress in the comments, and every little bit helps you get better.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.